My name is Preeti Puppala. I'm the Software Quality Engineering Manager working with Clario. As soon as we have small chunks of code, it's easier to identify any defects in the early phase than in the late phases. So having the quality engineers to be part of the development phase from the early stages will actually save a lot of money and also deliver quality with a much more high quality product. So I would say, incorporating testing from the early stages of development is the first tick box. And the second thing would be creating precise and valuable test suites. What I mean by this is, if you have a test suite that is repetitive or that is not meeting the requirements or that are too lengthy, then when you're running or executing the test cases, you actually don't know what is the aim of your test suite is. So having that crisp and concise test suites is really essential. If I say just testing, it's a whole software development lifecycle model. So within the SDLC, I would say using the right tools, the right frameworks, the right methodology is again very much essential for optimizing testing infrastructure. And also as part of testing strategies, I would say conducting regular intervals is really essential, because having those peer reviews, having those inspections, those walkthroughs is really essential for having that optimized infrastructure. At the same time, we should also have a proper use of automation. The reason I'm saying automation is because these days, every industry would want to automate their testing, methodology or their testing, the functional testing. It's good to have automation, and I'm really, a fan of automation. But at the same time, I would say we need to have best coding practices within the utilization of automation, because we can't always automate everything. Say again, a growth-oriented autonomous digital enterprise delivers value with competitive differentiation, enabled with agility, customer centricity, and actionable insights. For me, these three are the main aspects of digital transformation, because, as an industry, one needs to be agile, because we have to meet those day in, day out changing technology capabilities, and also be there for our customers and be customer centric, be customer focused. And as well as when we are being flexible and being customer centric, we are organically going into the next step of having those actionable insights. So for me, to be successful, organizations must develop new operating models that enable key technologies which actually deliver a transcendent customer experience, support enterprise DevOps team, apply automation wherever feasible, and drive data-based business outcomes, safeguard the organization through adaptive cybersecurity. Because I think we all are so much exposed to security threats, and as companies, I think that is one of the main point to consider: cybersecurity.